Rightio, let's do this. Okay, Marky, kingfish coming. Yo, yo. My bite today. It's got a lot of stuff in. When I'm paddling distance, I always like pull the kite seat like quite forward. Do you do that, Mark? When you're paddling to a spot, you know, when you've been paddling for an hour or so, you move your seat forward a bit so you can actually lean back. You know? Yeah, because you can't actually lean back for safe, but you know, like have your back straight, you know, against the seat. You tend to lean forward a bit, otherwise, yeah. Yeah.
It's got to be comfortable, like move around.
Yeah.
You gotta know you're tired before you go out.
Yeah. So we've had like dolphins around us. So dolphins, oh my goodness, here they are again, look, yo, they must have heard me. Oh wow. Wow, Mark, wow, magic. So I've been kayaking for quite a few years now. And yeah, that's the first time that's happened. First time, look at that, yo, wow. Wow, look. How cool is that? Oh yeah! Yeah, we'll have it, we'll have it, we'll have it. Yeah, we'll have it. Yeah, 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 nice, nice. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Oh yeah, lovely mate. Another nice snapper. Oh yes. Yeah. Got another nice snapper. Yeah. Another nice one. I might put him back though, mate. Oh. Shall I put him back? Yeah. We got enough, haven't we? There you go, mate. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah, I love that. Is it coming in? Is it coming in? It's not a biggie one later on, but they do pull a bit. Oh. Yeah, man. Yeah, yeah, nice snapper again. Actually, that's a keeper. I'm gonna keep that. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that. Yeah. Another nice one, yeah. Another nice one. Yeah. There, that side seems to be just out fishing, you know. Out fishing the other. Told you, Mark. Huh? Oh, I said Puka Bay, mate. Oh, that's a bit small, that one, isn't it? We're catching plenty today. See you, mate. I know it's legal size, but it just looks small to me. into something nice.
Right on.
Is it? Yo, 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 yo. We got Mark. Yeah, we got a nice snap, mate. A nice snapper. Well, yeah, mate. We'll have that. Oops. Yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yay! A little bit bigger than the last one. Nice one, son. Lovely, another nice snapper. Oh. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, nice. Nice. Okay, this one's nice. Okay, this one will be a nice one. Oh yeah. I think this will probably be my biggest of the day, Mark. Oh yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Hey, that big bit of carway, see? And all of a sudden, mate. In there. Yeah. Yeah, we'll have some of that. Ho 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 ho. Oh yeah, it's up to the boat,
Snaps or
Hang on.
thingy?
No, bloody hell.
Oh really?
Yeah, I'll have to cut the line. Look at the size of it. Big moray eel. Oh, have you got my tweezers? It's warming up nicely as well, isn't it? Yeah. Let's get in that big snapper, mate. My biggest one is 62 centimetres. I don't know what the weight was. I should have really weighed it, really. Yeah, it's funny when you're so close to shore, it is comfortable fishing as well. Yeah, now that's nice, mate. Nice. Ah. I thought I was in. I am in. It's not a biggie though, I don't think. Yep. Not a biggie. Although, that's not a bad size, you know. I'm going to keep that one. Yep. Yeah. Another nice one. Another nice snapper. Oh, this one's could be a good one, Mark. Oh, why does it feel like I've lost it? Where's it? Oh, because it's a carway, that's why. Hello. Hey, carway. Here you are, mate. Good sized carway, though. Good sized carway. All right, mate. Cheap. Oops, you want to come up? Yeah. It didn't put on much of a fight at the beginning, did it? That's a good sized carwai. Yeah, man, almost out of thing. It's probably one of my biggest carwai. He's a donkey. Oh, he doesn't want to get in the thing yet. He's not ready. Right. All right. Oh man, I can't even get it in there. Whoosh! Ah. Whoosh! That was a man fart. Nah, that's good. It's like not really long, but look how fat it is.
Yeah.
So this is a carwai. Carwai, you do need to bleed.
No way.
Yeah. Oh, get on that side. No. Oh, all right, yeah, you want to do that side? I'll do that side.
See this one.
Hell, man, do you want me to get some couple of pictures?
Yeah.
We've got the video going at the moment. Okay, we're into something nice. Nice. Into something nice.
Straight line.
Is it? Yo. We got Mark. Yeah, we got a nice snap, mate. A nice snapper. Well, yeah, mate. We'll have that. Oops. Yeah. Whoa.
Straight line, full guy, boy.
Yay!
Straight line.
Yo, man. Yo. A little bit bigger than the last one.
Could be.
Nice one, son. Lovely another.
Oh, nice, mate.
Nice snapper. Yeah, so we're into something good. And John Dory. Johnny Dory. That's nice, John Dory. That's a lovely John Dory. I just love it, mate. Love it, old John Dory. Oops. Come over here, John. Come over here, John. Oh, shoot. No, man. It's almost too big for my net. Mate. Hey, I'll take that, Mark. I'll take it, mate. Very nice. Such good eating, you know, John Dory. Sorry, mate. Pretty good size, mate, eh? And there we have it. That was another Marky Boys and Marky Boy. So 2 marks today. Fishing adventures.